You are going to love the 2020 Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.